हाय हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल मैथ्स लगे रहो। इन टुडेस क्लास वी आर लर्निंग application of integrals 5 marks questions dear students. So let us see the first question what they had asked. Find the area of region bounded by ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 by the method of integration dear students. Very easy question. It is we have to find the area of what? This ellipse, given ellipse dear students. So first you write the ellipse equation x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 dear students. So now see, ellipse you know very well. So how it looks like ellipse in the first year also you have learned dear students. So just for your understanding purpose I will draw a small figure here. So diagram. Try to understand. Ellipse will look like this. If this is when it is A is greater than B dear students. So now we will assume it as what? A is greater than B only. So now I have to find out. Actually these all the areas 1, 2, 3, 4 all are symmetric only. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಈ ಏರಿಯಾ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಆಗ್ಬಹುದು, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗೇ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಇನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಎನಿವೇರ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ? ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏರಿಯಾನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ellipse. So this is 0 and this is what? A comma 0. This point is minus A comma 0 because A is greater we have taken. And now see here, this is what? 0 comma B and this is 0 comma minus B because point on the y-axis means x coordinate will be 0. So now see this one I have to find. Any one you find dear students. So before finding I will find the y value dear students. See here. Y square by b square is equal to 1 plus x square by a square. You take this side. It will become what? Minus x square by a square dear students. Plus e side togondre minus agutte. So now cross multiply what we will get. You see. Y square by b square is equal to a square into 1 is a square minus x square divided by a square dear students. I hope everyone understood. So now b square you cross multiply. Y square is equal to b square into what you are remaining with? A square minus x square divided by a square dear students. Will you agree everyone? So even I can write like this one b square by a square into a square minus x square dear students. I hope everyone understood this. So now see, square is there. Now you send this side. Square root of b square is b square. If you send this side, square root it will become square root of b square andre ಏನು b ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Square root of a square andre a ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So now see, and square root of what? A square minus x square will remain. Don't write a minus x. No, this is a square minus x square. That's why square root will come. ಎಲ್ಲರ ಈಗ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ a minus x ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದು a square minus x square ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ square root ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So y value I got. So now required area you come. Required area. That is required area is what? Required area dear students. Required area how to find you know? See here. Integration of that is see here. I will write here only required area. That is you observe very carefully. How many quadrants I want? All are symmetric. ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಿದೆ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ 4 ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾ? ಸೊ ಆದ್ರಿಂದ 4 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 4 you have to multiply. Clear? So now see, from where to where I will find? I will find the first quadrant dear students. This quadrant. From where to where? 0 to a first quadrant I will find. So from interval from where? 0 to a y dx I will write. and then you see what is y value, dear students. Y value is what? b by a square root of a square minus x square into dx. y ಬೆಲೆಯನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್. 4 into b by a is a constant, you take it out. 4 into b, 4b by a is there as it is. So integration of what? Integration of 0 to a, this one I have to find. Integration of square root a square minus x square. In exercise 7.7 it is there. This formula, square root of x square minus a square formula ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x by 2 square root of a square minus x square plus a square ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ, so a square by 2. If it is positive you have to write positive, if it is negative a square, negative you write, but here it is what? A square. So that's why a square by 2 we have written. So now see, sin inverse, this is the formula for what? Square root of a square minus x square. Square root of a square minus x square is formula ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಇದು ಬರಿತಾ ಇರೋದು. Sin inverse x by a, and intervals are given, that is what? 0 to a, dear students. So now see here how we will get the answers. I will say directly. Now try to understand. If I put a in this, here also you have to put wherever x is there, no? There you have to put a value. ಎಲ್ಲಿ x ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? a ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ a ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ a ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ is how much? 0. Square root of 0 into square root of 0 is 0. 0 into 0 by 2 is 0, dear students. So now sin inverse plus a square by 2 sin inverse, x ನ ಬೆಲೆ a ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. So a by a, sin inverse a by a ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, sin inverse 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. sin inverse 1 ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? when sin inverse 1 will become, ಯಾವ ಆಂಗಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? which angle it is? sin inverse 1 will become pi by 2, dear students. Clear? In depth I am not writing, you will understand, this is a very basic thing. a ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ a by a ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, a ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. sin inverse 1 pi by 2 ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? So now see, when you are putting this value you have to write minus sign now. Next, 0 by 2, 0. If you put 0 now in this x value you have to put 0 now. When you are putting a lower limit you have to write minus sign. ಯಾವಾಗ ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಇದು ರೂಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 0 by 2 ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 0 into anything is 0. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ a square by 2 into sin inverse, ಈಗ x ನ ಬೆಲೆ 0 ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 0 by a ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ 0 by a is 0, sin inverse 0. 0 ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ sin inverse? That is in 0 degree. So 0 you can write. So how much you got? You see 4b by a. Now how much? A square into pi. A square pi. 2 2s are 4. 0 you can leave this. Now see, 0 plus a square by 2 into 0, 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. I will not write that one. So directly you write 0. Fine. So now see what you can write here. How much you got? 4b by a square pi by 4 you will get. Minus 0 if you do, this much only you will get. 1a get cancelled. Yes, there are 2 a's are there. 2 a ಇದೆ, 1 a ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೆ 4 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಉಳಿತೇನು? ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? pi ab ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. So what you will remain here? Pi ab will remain, dear students. So then what will remain here? Pi ab square units. So this is the required answer and you got 5 marks, dear students, in this. So please see, if you are not understanding anything, you please comment me. We will again reply for your comments. So I hope you understood. If you are understanding from this video, please like and share and subscribe my channel. So we'll meet you in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ. Thank you, dear student. Please copy this.